Hello, welcome to Tom Coder. Today I am going to show you how you can create a Maven web project. So we want to create a Maven web project that will have the web-INF file and the pom.xml file. Usually, when you create a Maven web project, you do not have the web-INF file. You cannot create your front-end project. Let me quickly show you. If you right-click on your IDE, you create a Maven project. Let's do a simple web project. You give it your group ID is usually the reverse of your company URL. That means com.tomcoder. Our artifact ID is your project name. Let's call it employees web API. We are using the WAR file, not the jar package file, because we are creating a web project. Click on finish. This is our, let me remove the GitHub connector. Disconnect. So this is our project. This is our project right here. If you go to the structure of the project, which is the Maven project, you will have the pom.xml, then look for the web-INF. You do not see the web-INF under the webpack. Another way you could have done this, let me remove this one, remove from my system. Another way you could have done this is you right click, you create a dynamic web project. When you do this, you are not going to have the pom.xml file, so you cannot have your dependencies. It's still not going to work. Let's try it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's give it employee web API as the project name. Our runtime is Apache Tomcat. Next, click next. Generate a web-XML deployment descriptor. We'll finish it. Remove the connector again. So this is our dynamic web project package. If you check the structure, we have the web-INF under the web app, but we do not have the pom.xml. So you cannot use any of the dependencies that you need to create this project. So we're still not gonna, this is still not gonna work for us. This third project is what I'm going to show you how to actually create a Maven web project that will have the pom.xml and the web-INF. You right click, you create a Maven project just like we did before. Create a simple project, click next. Group ID com.tom coder, artifact ID, let's call it employees web API. Change this to word, click on finish. This is our project. The next thing we're going to do is create a dynamic web project where we extract our INF. The name, give the name whatever name you like, because we are not going to use this package. We only extract the web-INF package from here. Give it a name. You next, you create a web XML, and you click on finish. This keep coming up, my GitHub connector. So let's open the structure of our dynamic web project. You see we have the web-INF on here. The employee, which is the Maven project, we do not have the web-INF on our web app. So what you're going to do is you right click on this web-INF, you copy, you go to your Maven project, and under the web app you paste it on the web app. You paste. Now we have the web-INF file. So now we have extracted our web-INF file from the dynamic web project. I'm just going to remove it from my IDE because I do not need it anymore. Remove that. Then the next thing you do is to rename your web XML, because the name of your web XML has to match your project name. Remove the gibberish we put in there before, and we'll change it to the name of our Maven project, which is Employees Web API. Employees Web API. You enter, then you go to your project name, right click, and Maven updates project. Another thing you are going to do is to click on your pom.xml. You are going to have an error like this. Cannot access default field of property. I have a previous video on how you can solve this problem. If you run into an issue like this, you can go to my YouTube channel and you see the video. You can watch it and then you take care of this problem. Another thing you are going to need here is your dependencies. Okay, you need dependencies to create a dynamic web project. I also have a video of that. You can go to my YouTube channel and check out the dependencies you need to create a web project. That will be all for now on this video. Thanks for watching. You can like, share and subscribe, so when I do more videos you get the notification. Bye once again.